will solve a question 4 by 10 plus 7 by 2. So firstly we have to know the LCM of the denominator 10 and 2. So as we know, the LCM of the denominator 10 and 2 is 10. So now in the place of denominator we will write the LCM of the denominator. So 10 and 10 divided by 10 equal to 1 and 4 into 1 equal to 4. Then the sign of plus 10 divided by 2 equal to 5 and 7 into 5 equal to 35. Now we have to simply add it. 35 plus 4 equal to 39, and then we will write the 10. So this is our answer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.